Hey everyone, today we're doing makeup. I'm really excited for today's video in particular because today I am going to be using a bunch of products by Merit Beauty. They did give me 2 products that I'll be showcasing in today's video. I'm really excited, but on top of that, I also had some Merit Beauty products on my own, so I'll just be using a bunch of Merit Beauty products. I'm so excited to be working with this brand today. Also, I will have an affiliate link in the description of this video. So if you see any products that you're like, oh my gosh, I'm super interested in, go ahead and click the link in my description and make a purchase. Each first order comes with a Merit signature bag, and just an FYI, there will be free shipping on all orders over $40. So with that being said, let's get into the video, you guys. I already have a lot of my makeup completed today, so I did my eyebrows off camera, and then we have a really cute brown smoky eye going on today with a bold liner. Okay, so for my first product by Merit Beauty, I'm actually going to be using a mascara today. So this is the mascara. I have the shade Perfect Black. So I'm going to just be applying this, and I'm thinking, like, do I want to use any lashes? Because there are times when I'm like, I don't know, like I'm really not feeling lashes right now, but I feel like for this cute smoky eye, I feel like I need to do a lash. Do you guys see how my lashes are elongated by this mascara? Sometimes it's very hard to see like how the lashes look after mascara on camera, but hopefully when I zoom in, you guys will be able to see. You guys, my lashes look so good. I personally feel like I don't even need lashes, but I just feel like I'm so extra, especially when it comes to makeup. So I'm definitely gonna put some lashes on. So you guys, I applied my lashes off camera. Now it's time to go into skin, and this product by Merit Beauty, I absolutely love. I've been using it for some time now. It's their Great Skin Instant Glow Serum, and let me tell y'all, the skin is skinning, okay? I absolutely love this oil. All I do is take usually 2 pumps, and I rub it in my hand a little, and I apply it like so. And I just love the way this makes my skin look. I wear this on days that I don't even wear makeup, and that's just the honest truth. Also, this has become a staple in my skincare routine because I feel like I didn't really have like a glow serum. I have a serum, but I use it for something else, like more so geared towards acne, and there's nothing wrong with having multiple serums in your skin routine, I feel like, as long as they don't clash. So I find that this works with the other serum that I use. My skin also feels just so hydrated every time I use this. The next thing I'm gonna do is just take the Bobbi Brown color corrector in the shade Deep Peach, because I have like a few marks on my skin, like a few little red spots or like discoloration. I just need to kind of cover them because they're like doing a lot right now. So yeah, I'm just covering these up really quick. I'm taking a Real Techniques brush to kind of blend this makeup out, mostly like around the edges, because I don't want it to, you know, I don't want it to like disappear or anything. I'm just trying to blend it in where I see fit. I'm trying not to swipe, more like tap on the skin. I hate when I have like acne close to my hairline because I feel like, I don't know, I don't like getting makeup in my hairline, which I always do. It's so annoying. Then this is the last one that I applied that to. Put a little right here around the nose. Y'all, I'm so glad Alyssa Ashley showcased this product because I would have never known about it unless I saw it from somebody else, of course, but I love it. Let's move on into our next Merit Beauty product. I have the Perfecting Complexion Stick in the shade Camel. So I'm just going to apply this in the same places that I apply the color corrector. So little right here. Right here. Then I'm gonna put some right here. And I feel like this is so easy to blend out, and I love that. Today I'm not going to be using a foundation, but I am going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Skin Tint just because I really love this product, and I really don't want to do something heavy today because I feel like the Merit Beauty brand is so like minimalistic, and I personally love that. I've done videos on my channel before with like the whole makeup no makeup vibe, so I'm gonna go in with this today. Haven't re-upped on this product yet. I feel like I'm such a horrible person, to be honest. And I'm gonna take the same Real Techniques brush because I should have been gotten another one. It's just there's always so many new products that come out. It's hard to like keep up, so it's so annoying to just try to do things like that. Going to be blending that out. Like I said, it's not too much makeup, which I really like. It's just enough. Also, if you guys hear thunder in the background, it is freaking storming. I mean, like raining cats and dogs. I'm just like, I picked a fine time to try to record this video. But I'm not gonna let that stop me because we're about to get cute, okay? We're about to get so cute. This is such a summer glow like makeup tutorial. Like, we look good for the summer, okay? Do y'all see, like, the skin is giving, the makeup is light. You can go outside like this. Y'all, it's hot, but we can still go outside like this. We can still go outside looking cute but sweat proof. Okay, so let's move into our next product. This is one of the products that was gifted to me by Merit Beauty. It is their Flush Balm, and I cannot wait to try it. So I'm gonna follow the directions like so. It says to swipe onto cheeks and blend with your fingers. You can't mess it up. So I'm nervous. Like, why am I nervous? But let's talk about the shade. I picked the shade Persimmon. I hope I pronounced that correctly. This packaging, the gold, and then there's the blush. She's so pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and the cap is a twist off, so we're gonna twist it off. I'm just gonna swipe this on my cheeks just like it says because I personally don't see a problem with that. So, ooh, you guys will look at this shade. Oh my goodness. So I'm just going to take my fingers and blend. And the way I'm doing that is tapping. One thing I had to really remember when I first started getting into makeup is to not swipe. And I was really bad about that. I'm not going to lie. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys and say like, yeah, I've been doing it like this forever. I started out doing this. It's not true. It's just not true. I was definitely applying my makeup incorrectly. And if you want your makeup to last, if you don't want it to be like super blotchy, then this is just what I recommend. You guys, it's so rosy and so glowy. I just feel like this is like the epitome of summer glow. So I want to apply this here as well. Oh, look how gorgeous. And the fact that this could be just blended with a finger, is so perfect. And I do not like typically using my hands to apply my makeup. Like when the Fenty Beauty skin tint came out by Rihanna, I was like trying to apply with my hands, but then I was like, I literally cannot. Like, but this doesn't feel like thick at all on the finger. So if you know me on my channel, you know I like a little nose blush. So I'm just gonna apply it like just a little bit, okay? I'm not gonna OD, but like the tip of my nose, I feel like absolutely needs like a little redness, a little, we want to look really rosy, okay? So we're just applying her. Y'all have to let me know what y'all think in the comments below, because I feel like this blush is a really given, okay? Like she's not doing too much. If you're like very simple, I feel like definitely go with this shade. And so I do have one more product that was gifted to me. It's called the Bronze Balm, and I picked the shade Scene. So it says it's a sheer buildable bronzer that delivers a wash of natural warmth and depth. So first, I just want to admire the packaging. It's so cute. I love gold packaging. It's just so shiny. Here's what the product is looking like. So now I'm just going to apply on both sides. And so it says that I should blend this out with the #1 brush. I personally don't know which brush this is by Merit Beauty because it's not actually labeled, but I remember I purchased this a while ago. So I'm just gonna blend her out, and it is blending so smoothly. I really like the light chisel just because it's like, if you're going for like a look that's kind of like minimalistic, you definitely don't want to like cut your cheeks, because why are you doing that? So this is a whole vibe for those summer days. You just gotta do a little something, you know? And I did purchase a little highlighting balm by Merit as well. I'm just going to apply here. I'm gonna take the same brush just to give us a little rose gold glow. The balm that I'm applying, that's the highlighter balm, it's called Bounce, and I think it's just like a little extra glow to the skin. The glow is looking so good, you guys. So it is time for lips at this point. I did purchase a Merit Beauty lip oil, but first I'm actually going to line my lip with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner. I'm obsessed with these lately, but I'm just gonna go in with Chai. So now that I've applied some lip liner, I'm going to be taking this lip oil in the shade Falcon. It looks like a chocolate brown. I'm going to just apply it. Oh my god, she's so pretty. Can we talk about her real quick? Because she is gorgeous. I have no words. Like, it's so pretty. It barely feels like there's anything on the lip, yet it looks close enough to an actual gloss. It has that feeling of a lip oil that's like very light, very airy, but the pigment, like, she's so pretty. So it's time to top off the look real quick. I'm going to be using this Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Y'all, the look is absolutely giving. Don't forget to use the link in my description if you guys want to purchase these products. I highly recommend that you go to the website and purchase just a few, because these are perfect, you guys. And this face, like, it's absolutely giving. Like, it's giving summer glow, and I'm just so happy. Thank you so much, Merit, again for sending me the products. And with that being said, to those of you watching this video, if you like the content that you see, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you along in my community, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, you guys.